Ngani tawda na nungu bosa via baritanga na nungu wawele na walebu na yalo ni vidi ngomi na vika witaki na matanga ni singni kuwa kena mai advisoritu na vinkangara babunua na sarvaliu. The commander of the Republic of Fiji's military forces, Rear Admiral William Opoto, the Commander Navy, Captain Humphrey Tawake, Commodore Gilmore, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Nisa Mula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. It is indeed my pleasure to officiate at this Fiji Navy Day, a commemoration of 42 years since the establishment of the Fiji Naval Division. Security and safety in our oceans and seas is extremely important. As an island nation with significant maritime borders and responsibilities, our rich heritage as navigators in a sea of islands is a proud one. The Fiji Naval Division is a symbol and a living testimony of how we place importance in sea transport is a lifeline of our people. Sea lanes are critical for trade, movement of people from island to island, and every aspect of development. From the first naval outfit of the government of Ratu Seru Thakombau in 1872 to the small naval volunteer force of 600 officers and ratings, which was formed in the beginning of World War II, to today's modern structure of 300 personnel, the Fiji Naval Division has been a proud custodian of the sea. With the emerging challenges on our shores, the vision for a smart naval force capable beyond its size and supported by the nation is relevant to Fiji. Contributing to the security of Fiji by maintaining a professional maritime force capable of protecting Fiji's people and interests at sea is not easy. It will come as no surprise that the protection, security, and management of our oceans and seas require an extensive commitment at all levels. Our maritime domain faces many threats and challenges. Adverse impacts on the security and safety of Fiji and the entire Pacific region are real. Illegal immigration, terrorism, piracy, and drug trafficking, human trafficking are a few issues the Fiji Naval Division now confronts. Certainly, these threats can be addressed effectively with the support of our people in communities, in coastal areas, and with the support of our development partners. In that regard, I'm quite impressed with which the collaboration between New Zealand and Fiji has progressed. The Royal New Zealand Navy inshore patrol vessel, HMN ZS Hawea, and the Fiji Naval Division have detected 45 infringements and have boarded 250 boats in a maritime surveillance operation. I wish to recognize the partnerships, collaborations, and cooperation with international partners like Australia, New Zealand, and India, who find Fiji's position in geopolitics and position in the Pacific Ocean important. In commemorating the 42nd anniversary, let us use this occasion to support the strategies and policies already in place and plan to increase the capability of the Fiji Naval Division. During my recent visit to India, as I overlooked the harbor in Mumbai and watched the majestic naval ships on display, I could not help but think of the need to increase our naval personnel from 300, say, to 1,000. Strategies to equip and provide the tools for the increase in manpower will have to be considered. Fiji is a maritime nation, an island state which demands its waters and seas protected, and wishes the Fiji Naval Division position in Tavioni, in Savu-Savu, Lambasa, Raki-Raki, and other strategic entry points. Unlike ports of entry, access to Fiji through our maritime islands in the Lau, Lomaviti, and Vunolevu are open and exposed our country and our people to risks and emerging threats. Our ocean is us, and we are the ocean. The incredible connections of our islands, our sea, and the natural resources in these waters are important to human security and the security of our nation. Bearing this in mind, part of our objective is to achieve an integration of maritime surveillance and to protect Fiji's maritime sovereignty, protect maritime resources, provide marine search and rescue, support humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, provide a vessel reporting and monitoring system, and provide a hydrographic service. In supporting the RFMF and the Fiji Naval Division, the Ministry of Defense and National Security has embarked on an exercise to develop a maritime security strategy under the umbrella of the National Security Strategy. This initiative is currently chaired by the Honorable Joeli Dawaki, the Assistant Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management. As the sea is an open environment, threats related to safety and security cannot be dealt with individually, and I would like to applaud the cooperation initiated by the Fiji Navy with a wide range of actors. The combined efforts of the Fiji Police Force, Fiji Islands Revenue and Customs Authority, the Immigration Department, and Ministry of Fisheries and other agencies are essential. And in conclusion, if I may quote the US President Theodore Roosevelt in that, and I quote, "A good Navy is not a provocation to war. It is the surest guarantee of peace," end of quote. This peace requires protection, and I am reminded of Psalms chapter 89, verses 9 and 10. You rule over the surging sea. When its waves mount up, you still them. You crushed Rahab like one of the slain. With your strong arm, you scattered your enemies, end of quote. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, I congratulate the Fiji Naval Division and the Republic of Fiji military forces for its achievements in the past 42 years and pray that God will continue to bless you all. And thank you.